Welcome to this video, which is an introduction to Flutter. After watching this video, you'll be able to describe the benefits and features of Flutter, identify key components of Flutter, explain the ways Flutter enables building cross-platform applications. Flutter is an amazing tool for building cross-platform mobile applications. Whether you're a seasoned developer or new to app development, Flutter offers a streamlined and efficient framework to create apps for iOS, Android, and the web. Flutter is an open-source, user interface (UI) software development toolkit created by Google. It enables developers to build applications for multiple platforms from a single codebase, meaning developers don't need to rewrite code for each platform. Many software development tools require app developers to write code for different platforms such as iOS, Android, and Windows. Rewriting code introduces possible bugs and issues, not to mention making updating apps a lengthy process. However, with Flutter, you write code once and it gets compiled for different operating systems, reducing bugs and issues. You might choose Flutter because development simplifies the development process with its comprehensive set of tools and features. You can simultaneously develop apps for multiple platforms, reducing development time and costs. Another reason is flexibility. Flutter has flexible widget customization, allowing you to create complex UIs easily. Additionally, you can achieve near-native performance on both iOS and Android devices. Flutter also has a growing community of developers with support and extensive documentation available to you. Some of the key reasons for this popularity include the following. With a single codebase, Flutter allows you to write your code once and deploy it to both iOS and Android. Using Hot Reload, you can see your changes instantly without restarting your app, speeding up the development process. With expressive UIs, you can use a rich set of pre-designed widgets to create beautiful and customizable user interfaces. Because Flutter apps are compiled directly into native code, you can create high-performance apps. In Flutter, everything is a widget. Widgets are the building blocks of a Flutter app's user interface. They define the structure, layout, and functionality of the UI. There are two main types of widgets. Stateless widgets do not maintain any state, such as simple text label or an icon that remains constant. They are used for static content that doesn't change during the app's lifecycle. Stateful widgets are widgets that can change their state over time, such as a counter that changes when a button is pressed. They are used for dynamic content that can be changed based on user interactions or other factors. The Flutter software also connects to data sources and backends, allowing for dynamic and interactive applications. Flutter supports various methods of integration with backends. Flutter uses HTTP requests to interact with RESTful APIs and fetch or send data. Flutter also integrates with Firebase, Google's mobile and web app development platform for real-time databases, authentication, and cloud functions. Additionally, Flutter uses SQLite, a popular and easy-to-use relational database system, or other local storage options to manage data on the device. These interactions allow your Flutter app to access and manage data efficiently, providing a seamless user experience. Flutter has many packages and plugins that extend its functionality. Packages are pre-written code that you can include in your project to add features without having to write everything from scratch. Some packages have UI components such as ready-made widgets and layouts. Flutter also has networking tools for making HTTP requests and managing APIs. State management packages offer libraries to help manage the state of your app. Device integration means using your app's plugins to access device features like camera, GPS, and sensors. Using packages and plugins can significantly speed up development and add robust features to your app. Testing and debugging are integral parts of app development. Flutter provides robust support for both. You can test individual unit functions and classes to ensure they work as expected. Test the UI and interactions of individual widgets. Test the complete app or large parts of it, simulating user interactions and verifying that everything works together as intended. You can also use debugging tools, including Flutter DevTools, which provides a visual debugger and a suite of performance analysis tools. By incorporating testing and debugging into your development workflow, you can catch bugs early and ensure the reliability of your application. Flutter consists of three main layers: framework, engine, and embedder. The framework is the top layer where you interact with pre-built widgets, animations, and the rendering system. The engine is the middle layer, written in C++, that provides low-level rendering support using Google's Skya graphics library. The embedder is the bottom layer that allows Flutter to run on different platforms by providing the necessary platform-specific code. This architecture allows Flutter to be both flexible and performant, enabling developers to create high-quality apps across multiple platforms. Flutter is a robust and versatile framework that simplifies the process of building cross-platform applications. Its rich set of pre-designed widgets, fast development cycle, and native performance make it an excellent choice for developers. In this video, you learned that Flutter is a framework for building cross-platform mobile apps for iOS, Android, and the web. Developers use Flutter because it has comprehensive tools and features, flexible widget and UI customization, and near-native performance. The benefits of Flutter include a single codebase, hot reload, expressive UIs, and high performance. Flutter has two main types of widgets: stateless widgets for static content and stateful widgets for dynamic content. The integration of APIs, Firebase, and local databases allow Flutter apps to access and manage data efficiently, providing a seamless user experience. Flutter has packages and plugins to speed up app development, and it also has testing and debugging tools. Flutter consists of three main layers: the framework, engine, and embedder.